Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm Claudia and thank you so much for opening this video. I am in Mandeville in Jamaica. I'm actually at the Northern Caribbean University. I'm in that vicinity. I've actually just passed it. All right, Northern Caribbean University. I'm heading up to Newport. So I just passed Avondale, the community of Avondale Heights, and I'm now passing Cedar Grove, Rose Cottage on my left. So basically from here, from the Northern Caribbean University, Newport is a straight road, guys. You can't miss it. Oh, Tony, we were to talk to them about purchasing in Jamaica. A lot of persons have been asking us, so how do you purchase? What do we need to do? It's really easy, Tony. So one of the first things that they need to do is what?
Get pre-qualified.
Get pre-qualified by doing what?
Find out how much mortgage they can get by speaking to a loan officer.
By speaking to a loan officer. And where are these loan officers?
Jamaica National, First Caribbean, Victoria Mutual, Jamaica Money Market Brokers.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go to one of those places, we have mortgage brokers available. Ask us for their contact details and we will get it to you. So you can WhatsApp us and ask us, right? So that's Jamaica National, CIBC First Caribbean. You also have the Victoria Mutual Building Society, Scotia Bank, you have National Commercial Bank, you have Jamaica Money Market Brokers. Alright, so all these entities will give you a loan. So if you live overseas, they will also give you a loan. You don't have to worry about it. As long as your credit report is good and you have good credit rating and you have your debt service ratio is good, meaning you don't have more loans than you can manage, then you're good to go. Remember, I'm heading up to Newport.
Also, what our overseas viewers should understand is that you don't necessarily need to bank with the bank.
Yeah, they keep asking that. Yeah, you don't have to bank with the bank, right? So you don't need $1 inside any of these banks. Those days are gone, guys. You can just come now, get the loan. What will happen is if they're giving you the loan, they will tend to open a bank account for you at the time, right? So what else we need to tell them about the whole process of getting a piece of real estate in Jamaica? Well, remember the TRN.
Okay, your ID.
TRN. So TRN means tax registration number. That's what it means. Tax registration number. So when you're purchasing a property in Jamaica, so if you're purchasing anything, a property, a car, those kind of things, then you need what's called a TRN, which is a tax registration number. Now that you go online, the Tax Administration Jamaica, the form is there. You will complete that form. Then if you can send it now to somebody in Jamaica for them to go and get the number for you. So what you can do now, you're going to get your ID notarized. All right, guys, so I'm now at Knockpatrick. All right, you're going to get your IDs notarized and you also do an authorization letter. So you say, I, John Brown, give Claudia Davis permission to go through the process of getting my TRN collecting same number for me. So that's a basic letter that you write and you get your Justice of the Peace, the Honorary Council, the Jamaica Consulate, the Justice of the Peace, the Notary Public, all of these people that you have, you get them to notarize that letter, notarize your ID. They can notarize the application form while you're at it, and then you send it out. Now, I do that all the time for clients, so I don't have a problem doing it for you. Oh my gosh, I'm in Newport so quick. I did it in about 7 minutes, guys, from the Northern Caribbean University. So the police station is on my right. I'm keeping left at the police station to get to this land here now, right? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. Today I am in Newport, so I'm showing you 2 other lots that came up for sale. So I'm right at Bethel, turn off at Bethel. And you'll see where I made the turn. You can come and have a look. So we have the front lot is for sale, where you see those trees. That one borders the main road. And then the one behind it, the second lot behind it. So there are actually 4 lots here. One of them has been sold. When you're looking on the screen, you will see the one that has been sold. So there are 4 lots. So if I should number them 1, 2, 3, 4, lot 1, the one closest to the road, is for sale. Lot 1, lot 2 is also for sale. Lot 3 sold, and lot 4 is not sold. Still, I think lot 4 is also for sale. So there are 3 lots here for sale. So if we number them again, lot 1 at the front, that lot is for 4 million. Lot 2 is for 3.8 million. And then lot 4 is for 3.8 million. So you want to give me a call on this one. It's a flat level land, very easy to build on. Alright, we're gonna just walk out to the front so you can have an idea of what it looks like. I should tell you, when you come to look at the land, you should be aware of grass lice. You're going to make this turn. So you will make this turn right here. You will make this turn right here that says Life in Abundance, Jamaica, Bethel, Newport. Turn here, the lot is on the right. Also, I should tell you that it's a sharp right. So be very careful when you're making the right. Stop and listen if there are any vehicles coming around the corner. You have water, so you have water and you have electricity. Alright, so let me point out to you the lot that was already sold is where you see that red. You see this red marking? That's the left, that's the right boundary for the lot that was already sold. So the one that we're selling now is to the right. One that we're selling now is to the right of this one. Alright? And same thing when you look at the left boundary, you'll see another red pipe sticking up. So the other lot is call it lot 4 to the left of that one. But the two that we're really selling is in the front here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so if you have an interest in this Newport, I'm at Bethel, Newport in Manchester. You want to give me a call. 876-292-6776. Thank you. Remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.